What are the pros and cons of a higher deductible? Have you ever wondered how changing your deductible can impact your auto insurance costs? Today, we are going to break down the pros and cons of opting for a higher deductible in the context of auto insurance collision and comprehensive coverage. A deductible is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in to cover the rest of the claim. So, what happens when you choose a higher deductible? Let's start with the advantages. One of the main benefits of a higher deductible is lower premiums. When you select a higher deductible, your insurance company sees you as taking on more financial risk. As a result, they often charge you less for your monthly or annual premiums. This can lead to significant savings over time, especially if you do not file claims frequently. Another pro is that having a higher deductible can encourage more careful driving. Knowing that you will be responsible for a larger amount if an accident occurs may motivate you to drive more cautiously and take better care of your vehicle. However, it is essential to consider the downsides as well. One of the most significant cons of a higher deductible is that it means higher out-of-pocket costs when you do need to file a claim. If you have an accident, you will need to pay the full deductible amount before your insurance covers the remaining costs. This can be a considerable financial burden, especially if the damage is extensive. Additionally, a high deductible might put a strain on your finances at the time of repair. If you face a situation where the repair costs are substantial, coming up with the deductible can be challenging. Lastly, it may not make sense to choose a higher deductible for older or low-value cars. If the cost of your deductible is close to or exceeds the value of your vehicle, paying a high deductible and premiums may not be financially wise. When considering your deductible options, common amounts range from $250 to $1,000. Choosing a deductible within this range can help balance your premium savings with manageable out-of-pocket costs. For example, if your deductible is $500 and your repair costs are $2,900, you would pay $500, and your insurance would cover the remaining $2,400. If you drive a high-value vehicle, a comprehensive or collision policy with a lower deductible might be more suitable to avoid large out-of-pocket expenses. Conversely, if your car's value is low, it may be better to raise the deductible or even drop comprehensive and collision coverage if the costs outweigh the benefits. In summary, selecting a higher deductible can lower your insurance premiums but increases your financial responsibility when filing a claim. The best choice depends on your financial situation, risk tolerance, and the value of your vehicle. Balancing these factors can help you make the most informed decision regarding your auto insurance coverage.